Hey everyone, welcome back to publicspeakersblog.com. I'm Steve Siebold. Okay, let's talk about the triple threat of keynote speaking. The three things that you absolutely have to do to build a 6 or 7 figure income as a keynote speaker. Number one, entertainment. You have to be able to entertain a live audience. Not the easiest thing in the world to do, especially when people don't want to be in the audience. That's number one, entertainment. Number two, your content, your basic content. Like I speak about mental toughness training to increase sales for and market share for sales teams. So content is number two. Number three is public and proprietary research, possibly more important than any content you're going to deliver is you're going to do public research and hopefully proprietary research you do on your own that you own with the organization to find out where the holes are, where the opportunities are, and then you present solutions to those missing, the gaps and the things that are missing in the organization. So entertainment, your content, and public and proprietary research. That's the triple threat of keynote speaking and the key to building a 6 or 7 income in this business. Thanks for watching.